No!
This is Anya.
This is me. And this is my best friend,
Not Anya.
Jasmine. You're not my best friend.
Nein, you are Anya and I'm not Anya.
Yes. She's not Anya. Yes. We
Yes.
try to speak English, but actually we are from...
Yeah.
No. You have to
Guess.
what we are. Yes. Maybe you can listen and then you know what kind of accent we have. So, now we try to explain things and enjoy. This is a brush, or what is it? What?
A comb? Nee, a brush, a brush.
A brush. This is a brush, and I brush my hair. And she brushes her hair. And now we start laughing. Yes. And there's some things we can do. For example, we can... No, we can't.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. When if we will. If you want. If you don't want. So yeah, Jasmine. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. And what about you?
Thanks a lot. I'm fine. What's your name, Jasmine?
My name is not Anya.
Oh! Her name is not Anya.
I know.
And what are you doing?
I'm sitting here next to you and doing
She's sitting here next to
silly
me.
And embarrassing.
No, we are not.
Things. No?
No,
Okay.
we are genius. Yes, I'm a genius. You are a genius.
We are genius.
We are genius. What?
Sing?
What? Yes, we try to sing a song. Jingle bell,
Jingle all the way.
Oh, the bird. Oh, the bird is shouting.
Don't like our...
He doesn't like our conversation. Maybe you can. Okay. I imagine that the majority of the people who watch our our video will stop at some point and
A very early point.
yeah, a very early point because it's so stupid. Sorry, but that's how it is. It's my life cooking to me.
What's your life?
Billie Jean.
Bella.
You are in trouble. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes. So hey, I'm blind. No.
No.
No, sorry, I don't want to make I don't want to bully Yes, I can. I don't know how to write
Lyrics.
lyrics.
Oh.
Are.
Mm.
I'm sorry, and my English is very, very bad, so I can't say anything more.
English is perfect.
Yes, my English is
Cause
perfect.
yeah, English.
Yes, it's my English. No, sorry, I beg my pardon. I'm begging you. Yes, it. I'm so sorry. My English is so bad, and I don't want to hurt your. I don't want to hurt your ears. I don't want to blind your eyes. I don't want to. I don't want you. I don't want to be crazy, but we are crazy, and we can't do anything against. Oh, isn't it? Yes, it is.
Yes.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Und nun
Change.
Change. Yes. Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Bye. Bye.